Today in this video, I will share corn flour face pack for lightening and brightening skin. One of the most common skin issues during the snowy season is winter rash. Those who develop this skin condition will experience dry, itchy, red, flaky skin, usually on the hands and arms. So you will must create skin care routine in winter. For corn flour face pack, at first you will need 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, ½ tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it well in a clean bowl and apply on your face. After 20 minutes, clean with plain water. Apply this face pack 2 times in a week. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.